everybody, what's good? Welcome back. I'm Michaela, and if you're here for a ride, come on and subscribe to become a butterfly. If you want to see how I get this hair to look like this, then stay tuned. Hey, we got a new angle today. Let's see what we're working with. I don't feel like standing down, so I'm gonna stand up to do my hair. Today we are starting off with blow-dried hair that's been in for a week and a half. My plans of my hairstyle last week, it was raining and I wanted to do a flexorize set, so it wasn't no purpose. So I kept it like this and maintained it, and it's still so soft and luxe and fluffy. Like, we're changing it up this week because I have a trip to go on and I want some mini twists in. It's gonna come right in time for spring break. So this will be in for 2 full weeks. Before we transform this hair, just let's get into how it looks from the back. Full and healthy. My simple, everyday mini twist hairstyle. The first hairstyle I ever learned to do and has stuck with me since, and one I keep constant in my routine. The products we will be using today are As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, a little mist, a little moisture, a little hydration before I apply my styling product, which is As I Am Doublebutter Cream. A little heads up, if you're looking into some new natural hair care products, these are reasonable price, they're affordable. Other additional items that you may need is a comb. To part with, oil. I like to use oils and greases in my hair care routine, so this will be my step today. One of my last steps in this is specifically the Kale's Daughter Goddess Strength 7 Oil Blend. First thing first, I like to do is to part my entire head into my different sections because it helps me move a little quicker when actually doing my style.
This one I bet you be the Doublebutter. Me, I no get time, I did Doublebutter. Dada cover my face, calling me Doublebutter. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend.
So I have 4 twists in total in the front, from my ear to ear. 2 on each side. And then in the back, we have this first row that has 2. The next row has 3. And the top crown area has 3. So in the back of my head, I have a total of 8 big twists to section off, to part.
Once we get the body flat position, we will be good for optimizing.
Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a walk, now you don't like it. You know what, that was you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken for love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
Hey guys, I'm done with the back of my head. And mini twists don't really take that long, but it can. Especially if you're coming from wash day and going straight into styling. But this is my first time in a minute doing twist on blowed out hair. Like, I forgot how, like, just looks these look. Like, they just eat better than just your juicy regular wash day twist. Now this is when I go in and section this way. And so this will be one twist. I probably can get 3 in this section. Yeah. Add a little moisture because I don't want my hair reverting back to curly. And with that, I also don't want a lot of cream either. This, I want to make sure my ends is moisturized. Smooth it throughout my shaft section. I'm really taking my finger and going straight down. So I have about 2 even pieces. You kind of want that. You don't want one side with short hair, one side with long hair, or one side not too thick. And just swirl, twist, or left to right. Wait. Right over, I twist right over left because I'm right-handed, so that would work best for me. And the more times you do this, the faster you get. Easily just apply your creams to the stretched hair. I just always have to work with some type of moisture before I add that. This is a great hairstyle for longevity, low maintenance, most definitely. And just in general, like waking up and you ain't gotta worry about your hair. Just like take it out the bonnet, take it out the scrunchie, and rock it like that, because it definitely takes some time after mornings. You can see as I get to the front, my twists do get a little smaller than the back. I don't know why that is, but it just always happens. Even when I do braids, my braids in the front will always be smaller than the back ones. Just like that, not even 5 minutes later, I have done 3 twists. Additional step is just applying some heat to give it stretch, so I can go to bed with dry hair, at least 95%, because most of the times it don't be like that. I'll dry it for like 30 minutes, but then it still be wet. It still be damp. This is my blow dryer, the 1875 Pro. This is a Kiss product, very affordable. You can get it at Walmart. I think this is a great beginner. I have this detachment out of the box. I don't know the name, Connor. I just like to use this when I actually stretch my hair. Don't know the name of this. If you know the name of this detachment, can you leave it in the comments below? I used to do cool and medium air. Nah, that wasn't working for me. That literally just takes way too long. I can't set my hair with cold heat. So I do warm with like the lowest temperature. So you have low and high. To seal that moisture in, we take just a little bit of oil. Like that much, just all you need. And just run it through your hair. Get the top, where you might have a little distressing flyaways sitting on top. Get your kitchens and your edges, and then you're all done. If you're enjoying my natural hair content, then stick around for my lifestyle content. Lifestyle includes my daily routines, me being a college student, and just navigating life, period, whatever I feel like vlogging. So if you enjoy that, stick around, subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for my next upload. Peace out, my beautiful butterflies.